I guess Karlovic is my nemesis. You know, I have a negative score against him. I have to talk with him before Doha next year. No, but I mean it's been an incredible season. Other than that tournament, I've played all finals, and you know, obviously sitting here with this trophy alongside me, and I couldn't ask for a better finish of the season. Last 4 years, I managed to win the World Tour Finals, where best players in the world are playing. And for some reason or another, I've been playing some of my best tennis after the US Open in Asia, and also indoors, both Paris and London. I think I managed to do better than I've done in the last match that we played in the group stage here, was the fact that I was more solid from back of the court. I served well when I needed to, and I got myself out of trouble. I returned more balls back than I did 5 days ago. I think that helped me, you know, obviously to get into the rally. I always try to make him play one extra shot. I will try, you know, to do as well as I've done in the last couple of years. Always peak at the right moments and always try to perform my best at the biggest events. Many challenges, but you know, now what I'm thinking about is the rest. And you know, of course, I need some time to really recharge my batteries, and then I'll think about next season.